Hey man, what is up? Brah. It is your boy Donny British, man. And freaking today I got mail from the office, man. They had a meeting and I was selected to win a gift. So they sent me a gift. I got it in the mail. Ooh, my fat showing. So they sent it. I got it in the mail. Dragon brands. It's a frame. I think it's a snowboarding brand. I think they're more geared towards active sport and snowboarding specifically. So I'm just unboxing the gift to show you guys. Little cloth pouch to carry it. Frame that come inside. Pretty neat. I do like it. However, I can't wear frames. Well, I can, but I would have to be medicated. Yeah. Image for impressed gal. Them boy they a coward in the streets. Cool. So yeah, it's my frames that I got as a gift. I haven't worn it other than now. So I might just give it away. Any of you guys want this? If you guys want it, just shoot me an email with your address if you're living in the United States, and I can ship it out to you guys. To one of you guys. What the hell is my email address? onedonnybritish@gmail.com. When I'm editing the video, I'll confirm my email and put it in the video and text right in this region, so you can just shoot me an email and I'll just have it sent out to you. Yeah, you shoot me an email, I'll have it out to you. I'll definitely put it in a different packaging box, but as the box says, your eyes are going to love this. So yeah, man, I'll have that out for you. But isn't that cool? Another gift, another small token of appreciation, you know. Anyway, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Take care.